What's going on, funnel fillers? Today we are talking about content marketing, and I've got a few tricks for you. And basically I want to explain what content marketing is. But before we get into that, if you want to join the Full Funnel Club, all you got to do is subscribe. Hit that button and be sure to hit the bell notification right next to it. This way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, and I got some good stuff coming for you. But let's jump into it. Content marketing. What is it? How does it work? And why is it important for your business to make money? Okay. Also, I want to explain a few things that you need to know in regards to content marketing, and then I'm going to get into the magic formula. Now, this is real powerful stuff right here. I really want you to pay attention to this, because if you can get this part right, everything else is going to work for your business, okay? So first, what is content marketing? Content marketing is, to me, when you provide valuable content, whether it be actually, there's three different ways. You've got V, A, and W, right? Three different types of content. It's just video, hope you can see that, audio, and written, right? So whatever your avenue, however you like to provide content via video, audio, or written like a blog, audio like a podcast, video like YouTube videos or Facebook videos, whatever it is, no matter what medium you choose to deliver the content, you have to create that content. And the most important thing with this content is that you're trying to solve a problem. You're trying to answer questions. You're trying to create a solution for what your potential viewer is looking for, right? Because if you're just throwing up garbage up there, nobody's gonna come to your videos. Nobody's gonna care, right? So you have to be thinking about what problem are you solving, okay? What is the solution to the problem that you're creating the video about, or the podcast, or the audio file, or the blog, whatever it is, whatever you feel most comfortable, that's what you have to create. But always be sure to be providing value to your potential viewer. That's how it works, because if you do provide value, they're going to want to see it. Like if they need an answer to something, right? If the viewer needs an answer to something and you show up with that answer in your title and thumbnail, the chances are they're going to click on it to find out the solution, right? So now you have people coming in, right? It's all also called inbound marketing, content marketing, inbound marketing. You're creating stuff, putting it out there for people to come in, right? So that's basically content marketing. Now, what you want to do with this over time is get people to do this. Three things. You want them over time to start to know you, like you, and if you do a good job, they'll start to trust you, right? And that's your job as a content marketer, right? You put these solutions out in one of these forms, and then over time, if they start to you start to solve more of their problems, they're going to start to know you because they're seeing you more often. They're going to start to like you if you have that rapport with them, if you have good energy, right? If you're just a jerk on camera or on audio, they might not like you, even if you're providing a solution. And then over time, they're going to trust you. And the great thing about gaining their trust is that then when you recommend products or services or programs, there's gonna be less barrier for them to purchase those things. So you have to get them to know, like, and trust you through video, audio, and written content. So that is basically content marketing. Now let's get into the magic formula, because this is where the money's at right here, okay? What you want to do, and you want to remember this formula, write it down, okay? It's VC plus IO times F. Okay, that's the formula right there. I'm going to tell you what it equals in a minute here, but let's talk about VC. VC is valuable content, right? We talked about that. One of these, video, audio, written, but it has to be valuable, right? So if we have valuable content and we add it to IO is an irresistible offer, okay? You can't just throw any offers out there like go buy my program because it's cool. No, it has to be an irresistible offer. That means you want to make it so that people have a hard time to say no. They're like, wow, they get really excited about it, okay? So I see a lot of people doing this wrong. They have an offer, and again, it's like, buy my program, whatever it is. You know, I'll teach you how to do this. But they don't cause any emotion behind it. You have to tell a story behind your product or service, and you also have to stack your offer, meaning you have to add to it. Why? What are the benefits, right? And then offer all of these add-ons to your program, and just make it so they're like, wow, I have to get this. The value is so much that they can't refuse it, right? So you've got your valuable content plus your irresistible offer times frequency. So this just means you can't just throw up one video once a month and expect all these sales to start coming in. No, you have to do it over and over and over again, okay? Uploading, whether it's video, audio, or written content on the regular. You have to be consistent with it. First of all, the algorithms on the Google, also YouTube. I really don't know how podcasts work too well, but I'm sure it's very similar. The more consistent you are in posting, the more they're going to drive people to you. So you have to be consistent, not only because it will help with the algorithm, but it's going to help with your overall, magic formula. And what does that equal? It equals money. It equals customers. And if that's what you're doing online and you're trying to sell things, that's what you want to be doing. Valuable content plus an irresistible offer times frequency. That's going to bring you them dollars. So if you would like to see exactly how I use content marketing and this magic formula to create money online with my YouTube channel that has over 154,000 subscribers currently, I'm going to leave a link down below. It's going to take you to a page where you enter your first name and your email, and I'm going to share with you exactly how I go about it, the process I use, so you can see it in real time and implement it into your business so you can have a lot of success quickly. Again, the link is down below. Go ahead and check that out, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Talk to you then.